Welcome to today's video. Um, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set username or reset your username on Telegram. Yeah, and also how to add a new profile picture if you want to. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then let's get over to what we have. So click on this, get to your Telegram. When you get to your Telegram, click on profile. If you click on profile, you click on this pencil button right here. Yeah, this is where your username is showing, or this is what you can copy for someone in case you want to share your username or anything. So click on it and head over to the username. Head over to username. Here you can type in anything you want to use as your username and change the one that is already existing and change it. You can as well change your name if you intend to change your name. You can as well here file. If you want to change anything at all, you want to like your profile picture, anything you don't like the way it is, you want to change it, this is how to do it. So if this video was helpful, please like and share, hit on the subscribe button, and drop me in the comments below anything you want me to talk about, or anything you want me to any topic at all you want me to do. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.